Hi, in this video, we're gonna see some basics of lists in Python. So let me share my screen and start the lesson. Here on the screen, as you can see, we have a list named department1. A list is simply a sequence of data points containing elements. So these elements could be integers, floats. Floats are real numbers with decimal points, or it could be strings. In this case, the list department1 contains 4 elements. There are strings. And notice how we are using square brackets. The data points in the list are separated by comma, and if they are strings, in this case, it's just letters, so they have to be put under quotation. So this is what we have. So let's say we wanted to see the position, not the position, but we wanted to see what the element is in a given position. Say, for example, John. John would be on the second position. So let's say department1. It's in second position, but in Python lists, when we count our data points in a list element, we start from 0. So Peter is 0, John 1, Maria 2, and Tom is on the third position. But if we're counting from the right to left, we start from -1, -2, -3, and so on. So if I say department1 and say 1, that should bring John, because John is in the first position and Peter is in the 0 position. So if I say Shift Enter, I should be getting John, right? The second concept we can see here is, what if I wanted to replace John by Michael? Let's say John got a better offer and left department1, and Michael came to replace him. So what we can do is say department1, and I put John's position, which is the first position, and I replace him with Michael. And now if I print department1, I'll get Michael in place of John. The other one, for example, if I want to see the extract Tom, Tom is in -1 position or -1 position. So if I say department1, -1, and then I say Shift Enter, and I get Tom. So we can also print the entire department. We can say print in parentheses, and then we can say department1. And if we do Shift Enter, it prints the whole department. And alternatively, we can just say department1, Shift Enter. It's going to give us the same thing. I hope this helped you in understanding the basic concepts of lists in Python.